Okay, we'll start session 8 by preparing the master data. First few things that we have to do, as usual, go to SAP login, and then go to IDES 0910, login, and the client 5, and enter your user and password. And the language is English. And this is the main screen for SAP Easy Access. Before start preparing the master data, we're gonna to be able to show the transaction code. We go to extras, and then resetting, and display technical name. If it's not being ticked, just tick that one, and then confirm your choice. Another thing, we need to change our SAP GUI setting by choosing customize local layout, then choose option, go to expert tab. It's not showing, so just go to right hand side, expert, and show key in order of down list, and then apply and confirm your choice. We'll start with creating the master data. If we go to logistics, and then we choose sales and distribution, use master data. From master data we go to business partner, then choose customer and create. Then we need to choose complete, which is XD01. Now click on the select. For the group for general customer, which is gonna be KUNA. So KU general customer, KUNA. And then the name of the client, we will say client, and then we'll group number, so we'll choose the client. In your choice, you have to choose your group number. In my case is 81, and then use the company code 1000, and then sales organization as well, 1000, and distributed channel, we're going to choose 10, and then division, keep it at 0, 0. After that, we have to enter all the fields. We can press enter. Now we have to enter create customer general detail. Then we're gonna create customer general data, and general data we have to enter. So we'll have to enter all the customer data. We will most probably the field with the ticked name. Let's say it is only search term for festival water postcode it is LO-8 3AH. Let's go to Great Britain. We will choose it. Then we're gonna go to Control Data. In the Control Data tab, in the VAT registration, we have to enter the VAT registration number here. We have to click on the sales area data. In the sales area data, go to the billing document tab and maintain the class, the task classification, such as liable tax. In sub-invoice processing and data. Choose one, confirm it, and then save. After that, you save it and exit the transaction. You always can go to customer in the logistic drop folder, where you can do the changes, complete changes, by using XDO2 to do changes in your customer. Now in the sub easy access, now I would like to do something to sell the motorcycle. And to do so, we need to create a new condition record. In the sub easy access menu, we're going to choose logistic. From logistic, we're going to go to sales and distribution, master data. From master data, we're going to choose conditions. This is conditions, and from condition we go to create and double click on it. Transaction code VK31 for creation. And then choose the clock sign, which is material pricing. This is the material pricing, and double click. And we're supposed to get this, which is CNTY SORG.DGO material reset, let's say. The price is valid for sales organization 1000, and distribution channel is 10. So we're going to select now we'll start to the material price. We have to enter the condition, which is PR00. The material is motorcycle 81. The price is going to be 30999, and we need just one. and the validity date is going to be from today date, which is the 4th of November, till the end of this year, until it's going to be 31st of December. And now we're going to do scale for it. In the scale, configure your conditions such as the price. And then we're going to add 51. 3.1. And then we're going to add 501 for 3.009. Now we can save it. Okay. If we have any mistake with those records, we can go always use the transaction VK32 or and the VK33 to display and change those items. In this exercise, we will create a vendor master record. So we can enter the transaction code that we have, which is XK01. We have to enter the vendor, which is 1000, company code 1000, organization as well 1000, the group is KRED, then the vendor is 1000 as well, organization in the references, and then 1000 for our purchase organization. Press enter. Then we get this message, which is reference account group is 0001. Okay. Now in the screen of create vendor address, we're going to add some information like name is Aldin, term search, let's say motorcycle, and then we're going to go just fill the field that is required, as we already know for them. We can press enter to go to the create vendor control. We have to enter the VAT registration, which is DE987654321. Enter. Then we need to look at the other views of the screen. This is the create vendor accounting information accounting screen view. We need to go to the create vendor purchasing data view. This is payment transaction account, and this is correspondence accounting, and this is the purchasing data view. In the create vendor screen, we need to deselect the return vendor and press save. Now this is the vendor, the number that we're gonna get. You might get 00010018. In this case I get 5 because I have a few of those vendors I created previously. Say OK. Now we will move to create purchasing information record. We'll start by entering the transaction code ME. Now we'll start by creating the purchasing info records. In the screen, we can enter the transaction code ME011, and then the vendor that we already created in the previous exercise. It is the first four digits will be removed. It's just gonna come automatically to 100185. And then we have to enter the material number, the frame, which is the material is going to be B, frame 81. And then purchase organization is 1000. The plant is 1000 as well. Then we have to press enter. And this screen where we the general data of the create info record. We'll find several default value has been already brought. And we'll keep them as they are. We'll just go to the purchase organization data 1. This is, and then for the control plan delay time is 3 days, and for purchase group is 001. We already have it here. We have the standard quality. For the standard quality of how many pieces we need, 10 pieces. So here we have to enter 10. And net price of is going to be for the pricing. Net price is here. We're going to enter 777016.16. Then click condition. Oh yeah, we have to enter numeric value, so because in German it would be like that. Then condition. In the condition screen, we will see the row PB00. And we can click on the scale, and the price is 7716 is valid for the quality of 1 piece, and the purchase price should be reduced to 700 for the quality of 10 pieces. So we're going to enter here. This is 1 piece. And for 100 piece is 700. And then we can click save. Now we have to save this number, which is and then OK. Now entering the material number B block. Now we want to enter create another material which we will need. So we'll enter the material B block. then you can press enter. We will keep this data as they are, but we will go to purchase organization data. The days is 2 days, and the purchase group is 001. The standard, we need the number of pieces is 10 pieces, and the net price for it is 349.50. Then go to condition. Then we're going to do scale for it. This is for 1 piece. So if we have 100 of pieces, the price is going to be $299.50. And now we're going to do save. And this is the record of the purchase information for the block, which is going to be 5,097,1,000. Now to repeat again for the final one, which is the cash shifts. So here we're gonna put cash shift. Okay. Shift. Press enter. We go to purchase order, repeating the same operation. So for 2 days, purchase group is 1001, and for 1 pieces, we're gonna have 89.95. Then we go to condition. This is for 1 piece, so we're gonna do scale. This is for 1 piece, so if we have 10 pieces, if we have 100 of pieces here, we can have 69.25, and then we're gonna save it. But here, of course, here we have to enter it. Now we have to save. We have to enter this purchase record for camshaft, which is 5300 198 1000. Okay. Now if we want to maintain a source list, we can go to the transaction code. We have the transaction code, which is ME01. We can see that this is the camshaft that we created, and the plant is 1000. We can press enter. This exercise, we're going to do maintaining source list. So you're going to enter the transaction ME01, then press enter. We'd like to do it for the material for the camshaft first, and the plant of 1000, and then press enter. We enter the validation date from 1st of January 2009 till 31st of December 2009, the vendor that we already created, and then the purchase organization of 1000, and the material resource planning of 1, and then tick the fixed. We're gonna do save. Source list has changed, say OK. We're gonna repeat the exercise for the block, the plant 1000, press enter. The validation date is 1st of January 2009 till 31st of December 2009. The vendor and the purchase organization of 1000, tick the fix, and material resource planning of 1, save. We'll do it for the last product we have, the frames, with the plant 1000. The validation date is 1st of January 2009 till 31st of December 2009. The vendor that we already created, purchase organization of 1000, tick the fix, and material resources planning of 1, and save it. Okay. Now you have already maintained all the master data required for the case study, and you will now test the business processes in session 9. Good luck.